Na-experience nyo na ba yung isang linggo pero napakabilis pero halos wala kang ginawa? Pero na-experience nyo na rin ba yung halos ang dami mong ginawa sa loob ng isang linggo but it felt like a month for you? So that happened to me. Last week was my birthday and a lot has happened. Since July 17 up to July 26, napakaraming nangyari. And usually, pag birthday ko, nagre-relax lang ako. I take time to just reflect, relax, and just enjoy the moment. But for last week, I have a lot to take in. I have to gobble it up. So, what I'm trying to say here is, have you ever been so busy in your life that you make that moment not memorable? Kasi syempre iniisip natin yung mga milestones, mga major events, mga big events. So ito yung mga tumatatak sa buhay natin eh. But don't you realize that the small instances of your life or the small instances of our lives are the ones that lingers in our memories. So, last week, ang daming nangyari, di ba? It was my birthday, pumunta kami ng wife ko sa Omniverse, kumain kami sa Buffet 101, may mga binili akong toys, and I got my gifts, and as well as may nangyaring event sa office na sunod-sunod, and it was a kind of a big event in the office. And even on a Friday night, may event pa last week. Tapos may iba pa, may nangyari pa nung Saturday na may pununtahan ako sa Cavite, a business opening. And on Sunday, it's time to relax sana. But biglang nagsabi yung parents ko na, we're gonna celebrate the birthday of your niece. Ginawa namin ng wife ko, umuwi muna kami. And then, lumabas ulit kami para bumili ng gift. And then sumunod na kami para salubong to sa birthday ng pamangkin ko. And that was on a Monday evening na, madaling araw na midnight. And grabe, ang dami nangyari. So, yun lang naman yung gusto kong i-point out, no? That maybe we have to take into consideration that in life, parang nakakatamad magpakita, no? Nakakatamad mag-show up sa mga events, sa mga important events in our lives. And what we don't realize is that when we show up, mas nabibigyan natin ng kulay yung buhay natin. And we make the days count. Diba? Instead of counting the days. Kasi nung bago ako mag-birthday, I was really counting it. Sabi ko, malapit na yung birthday ko tapos matatapos na naman siya. Then wala na mangyayari. Pero yun pala, the secret to it is that you have to make the days count, not count the days. And by making the days count, you must be active. You must be going on to a lot of activities para mas maging memorable siya. At pag tumanda ka, mas ma-realize mo na, ay buti na lang ginawa ko yun, no? Ay buti na lang pumunta ako doon. Ay buti na lang nag-participate ako doon. Instead na nasa loob ka lang ng isang kwarto, walang ginagawa, hanggang sa matapos ang buong araw nang walang nangyari. That week made me realize that being the main character doesn't mean that you have to have the spotlight all by yourself or even living it in a very exciting way. Being the main character only means that you are being fully present, participating in the life that you already have. Because one thing is for sure, life is already happening right now. And we shouldn't be absent in our own story. So meron akong mission sa inyo mga Earthlings, no? As part of the space crew. Yun na yung tawag ko sa inyo mga Earthlings. And if you are part of this community of the Mr. Pogi in Space community, you are now part of the space crew. So try to pause and try to notice one thing that you normally take for granted. So you don't need a perfect day to create a meaningful memory. You just need to be there when your life is happening. Bye for now, Earthlings.